This video we're going to talk about something that's, well, necessary. That's insurance. My recommendation is get as much as you possibly can, specifically in the case of medical, because even if you don't hit somebody, somebody may hit you. It's one of those things. Get the best that you can. If you skip now, you're only going to be paying for it later. In the event that you end up hitting somebody, it's going to be saving your bacon, because the more you have, the less likely somebody is to come after you personally, and instead will stop at the limit of the insurance. So for instance, if you have $250,000 on there, and for some reason you end up hitting somebody and they end up with some sort of a lifelong issue, that will hopefully save your bacon on that respect. Obviously, we don't want anybody to hit anybody, and you don't want to get hit, but these things do happen. I mean, shit happens. So, that's my recommendation on insurance. I personally use Progressive, even though I do not have my auto through them, because they had the best rates for the coverage I was looking for. I looked at other places like MetLife, Farmers, you name it. It seems like a lot of the major carriers don't like covering motorcycles. It's just one of those things. I mean, if you have an existing agent, ask them. If not, look up Progressive is my suggestion and see what they can do for you. This is one of those things you should be looking at before you decide to get a bike. Or, if you already have the bike, I mean, look at changing. I mean, occasionally you'll get a better rate. So, that's my view on that as far as insurance goes.